Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix REANIMAL gamepad or controller not working issue. The very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update controller drivers. So for that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. And after that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. Once you have done this, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once the game files is verified, launch the game and check whether gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, again go to Steam, under library section, select your game, click on properties, click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check if it's working now. But if the issue continues, again come back, select default settings and move to the next method. Next is to remove controller and add it again. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices and have to remove the controller first. For that, click on three dot icon and then click on remove device. Once you have done this, restart your PC and after that again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device and then click on everything else. And after that, here you have to add your controller and after that check if it's working now. If not, next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option. Here you have to click on check for updates option and wait for some time. It will check if there is any update available. After updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to check for game updates. You must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working. So you can go to Steam. After in the library section, select your game and you will able to see an update option available here. Update your game and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, you are suggested to enter big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, click on enter big picture mode option and you have to wait for some time. After this, select your game and click on the play button. If the game is opening, well and good, click on Steam option. Now click on power and then select exit big picture mode. Now after this, check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, you can install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, search for DS4 Windows tool first in Google or even you can go through the link that I have already given in the description, copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, click on the download option and after that go below, click on download option. So this will download DS4 Windows tool. After that, install it. Once you install it, connect your controller and update it. After that, launch the game and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.